As cities grow and populations increase, student safety goes beyond the classroom. It includes how quickly help can arrive in an emergency. That's why mapping emergency center like fire station and hospitals near educational institute is vital for better planning. With MAPOG, it's simple and efficient. To begin, go to story.mapog.com, click Create New Map. Add your map title like Emergency Services Near Educational Institutions and a short description, then click Save. Next, go to the Process Data, click on GIS Data, select your country and drill down to your block level area. Add your main layer of educational institutions. Then, add 2 joining layers, one for fire stations and one for hospitals. Use Style Editor to distinguish the layers. To analyze accessibility, use the Nearest Neighbour Tool. Select educational institutions as the main layer and hospitals or fire stations as the joining layer. Set the search radius to 2 kilometers. And then click Save New Layer, then select attribute like amenity and name, then select main layer. Repeat this for both emergency service layers. If you find coverage gaps, go to Add Story, then go to Add Manually. Select area, then add title and description and image and place proposed service points. In Select Type settings, create types like Proposed Fire Station and create attributes like name, location, type. Create different attribute for both the emergency centers, then select type, fill in details and save. To make your map visually clear, for proposed fire station or hospital, use point customization and use colors and icons to distinguish fire stations from hospitals. Finally, click Preview and share and publish your map. With MAPOG, you can map emergency service access near schools clearly, quickly, and without coding. Need help? Email support@mapog.com.